The time has come to learn how to manage Excel's rows and columns. The worksheet appearing on our screen here illustrates 3 company sales for January, March, April and May. As you can see, we have obviously forgotten to insert the sales for February. So, we'll have to insert a new empty column between columns C and D for the February sales. Let's see how.
We're going to select column D by clicking its heading. Then right-click and select Insert. The new column will be inserted on the left of the column we have just selected. Now there is an empty column for February's sales.
Also, suppose we want to insert an empty row between the word companies and the names of the companies. So, we're going to select the third row by clicking its heading, then right-click and then insert again. The empty row has now been inserted above the third row. If we changed our mind and want to delete column D, we have to click its heading in order to select it, and then right-click onto it and select the delete command.
Let's do the same for the third row too. We click the heading once to select it and right-click onto it and select Delete.
Suppose we don't want to show March sales on column D, but we don't want to delete them either. We can select it by clicking the heading D, right-click onto it and select Hide. So now column D has been hidden, but it's still there, it's not deleted. Whenever we want to display it again, we can select columns C and E, which were previously displayed on both sides of column D, and right-click onto it to select Unhide.
The same works for rows as well. Let's hide row 7. We select it, right-click on it, and hide it. If we want to show it again, we select rows 6 and 8, right-click on them and select Unhide.
This is how you can always hide and unhide rows and columns without deleting the content. That wasn't so hard, right?